Now look, today I'm gonna use this seashell background board to make a interesting card. So I already got the shape of the seashell background board, and this one here is the shape of the seashell. I'm gonna take out this glue, stick the board cut, and the black paper is the background for this card. And take out this so many different shape. Take out this small one. You can choose one of the paper and use the glue. Stick on this paper and then cut along the board. Now you already got the shape. You also use the glue. Stick. Here, this one is the part of this card. Follow this procedure to finish filling the seashell. And stick different shape on one paper together. And stick on. Cut along the border. 1, 2. Take out the glue to stick on the seashell board, and also follow this procedure. Stick on the little card, and here has some very small shape, and also stick on it and cut it. It's really like playing a jigsaw puzzle, and you made the puzzle and playing it. Okay, now we finish this colorful seashell background board. Okay, now we finish